Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be making shuku. I don't know what you call it, but I have known it to be shuku. So I sectioned the middle part of the hair and I made box braid in the middle part and the front part of it and all the back. I made cornrows, feeding cornrows to meet with the box braids. So guys, in this video, I just try to freestyle like I always love to do and like my clients always love me to do on their hair. So I started each cornrows with the hair of my client. I went in gradually with little size extension, braided cornrows the hair to the back, and then I did straight cornrows for some parts, and then I did freestyle on some parts. So if you want to make cornrows, feeding cornrows especially, you have to use very tiny extension in the front part of the hair. I've always emphasized this just so that you know that making unique standout feeding cornrows starts with very tiny extension, and then if you want to make any freestyle, make sure you are standing in the direction of that cornrow. If you see this one I'm making now, when I was making it to the front, when I wanted to start the cornrow, I stood in front of the client. When I finished that and I wanted it to turn to the back, I went to the back of the client to continue making the cornrow. And that's what I expect you to do as well if you want the cornrow to give you that exact shape that you want it to give you. I hope I'm making sense here. So I tried to make the video a bit fast so it won't take, the video won't be too long. So if you want to make cornrows, try and be patient as well. My clients love me to pick every strand of her hair to the best of my ability from the front of the hair and any other part of the hair. Unlike some clients that will say, oh, leave my edges, I don't want you to touch my edges. This client is on the opposite side who wants me to pick every strand from her forehead. And then that's what I did. So this is a curvy cornrow I'm making now. I made it like, you know, when you write an exam and they mark your paper and then they mark it good. You see that sign? That's exactly what that shape was giving to us. So I try to finish up with the front. My clients tinted her hair color gold, and the color is leaving the hair already. If you notice, part of the hair is black and then towards the tip is gold. So I tried to hide the color as much as I could, but in as much as I tried, the color still came out one way or the other. So I finished up with the front, I went to the back. I tried to stay consistent with my freestyling, doing the best that I could. And when I finished the hair, I was really pleased with myself because, you know you have done something that looks really good, you'll be happy. And that's the same feeling I had when I finished this hair. So the back of the hair was same cornrows. I cornrow it up towards the box braid that I made in the middle part of the hair. And I continued with my freestyling. And then I try to make sure that each cornrows has the same size. Because I can't be perfect though, but I tried my best to make each cornrow the same size. And then I finished up the hair. There's one thing about making your hair look very neat. Other than the lines of your cornrow, the parts of your cornrow, you need to still make sure that your cornrow is tight. Like the space in between your plaits is not too loose. So by that, it will help you make a good cornrow. Your cornrow will last long and look very neat. So when I finished the hair, I trimmed it up and I put it in hot water. This hot water will make it to relax. I trimmed it, put it in hot water, dried it up, and then gave it a good pack. Guys, please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. If you want to learn any hairstyle, like I've always said, let me know in the comment section and then I'll bring it to your doorstep. Until I see you again in my next video, guys. I love you. Stay blessed. Bye.